Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Kruti Patel. I am a founder and director of She&B Women Entrepreneurship Foundation. We are associated with Amazon as a training partner in the menstrual health awareness programs. We as an organization, our expertise into entrepreneurship and livelihood development. We work with women, we work with transgenders, we work with differently abled, and we work with youth. Being an expert organization in the domain of entrepreneurship, when Amazon has realized that there is a huge gap in period poverty, so they realized the gap, and collectively we have created a model which provides the holistic solution for the problem which we are trying to address. In India, there are a lot of intervention has been done in this domain, but majority of the intervention were restricted to just distributing the pads. Now this intervention is something where it completes the entire cycle from manufacturing to spreading awareness, selling, and now the disposing of the pads as well. So this is what the initiative which is run by the women, for the women, upliftment of the community. At the same time, we are contributing to one of the biggest asset of our country, that is women. Thank you so much.